How to use Bumper app properly. Beginner mistakes at cost you. The Bumper app helps drivers spread the cost of car repairs and maintenance with flexible payment plans. But most beginners use it wrong and end up paying more than they should. Here's how to use Bumper the smart way. The first mistake is not confirming your garage's participation. Bumper only works with approved partner garages, so before scheduling any repair, double-check the shop supports Bumper financing. Many beginners assume it's automatic and find out too late they can't use it. Next, don't forget to review the repayment terms. Bumper lets you split payments over 3 to 12 months, often with zero interest. But if you miss a payment or choose a longer term unnecessarily, you might face additional charges. Always match your payment plan to your cash flow. Another common mistake: forgetting to check your eligibility before approval. A quick pre-check avoids a hard credit pull, keeping your score intact. Beginners often skip this step and risk unnecessary hits to their credit. Pro tip: use the app's reminders. They notify you before each installment, preventing missed payments and helping you maintain a good credit history. And here's the surprising truth: using Bumper responsibly can actually strengthen your financial reputation over time. Used properly, the Bumper app gives you breathing room when life throws you car troubles, helping you stay mobile without the financial stress of paying it all at once.